Omnidel Labs is a perfect platform that helps freshers who are really talented and who have the passion to make a mark within the industry, because this is a unique program jahan pe you get to learn directly from the pros of the industry, and it's a unique chance because you're not learning just theoretically. You are getting to learn very hands-on, very practically, and the way it's really different from any other Earn While You Learn program is that the certificate here is how much have you been able to earn during the period that you have to learn. So the top ranker of the programs will be the person who has earned the maximum amount of money, maximum amount of compensation by applying what they have learned into the work that they are doing.